Good morning students. So today we will start our new chapter, that is percentage. So first of all, let's see what is the meaning of percent. So percent means per 100, or we can write it as per 100. Okay. So whenever we are calculating any quantity with respect to 100, in that case we are calling that quantity as percentage. So like you have studied already in the previous classes, let's have some review. Suppose if a fraction is there or a decimal is there or a ratio is there. Okay. So if you wish to convert any number into the percentage, in that case what we will do, we will multiply that number by 100, so it will convert it into the percentage. For example, suppose if I take 1 upon 5 and I wish to convert into the percent, so what I will do, I will multiply it by 100, so it will convert it into the percentage. Or suppose if I have a decimal, suppose I have 0.65 and I wish to convert into the percentage, so what again I will do, I will multiply it by 100, so what I will get, 65%. Okay, so in this manner we can convert any number into the percentage simply by multiplying by 100. Even if I have 2 is there, so I can convert 2 into the percent by multiplying by 100, so it will give me 200%. Okay, so if any number is there and if you wish to convert that number into the percentage, in that case what we will do, we will simply multiply that number with the 100. And suppose if we wish to convert a percentage into a number, so in that case what we will do, we will divide that number by 100. Or for example, suppose I have 6.5%, so if I wish to convert into, suppose I wish to convert into the fraction, so how I will convert, 6.5 upon 100, then I will remove one decimal, so it is converted into the fraction. Suppose if I wish to convert into the decimals, in that case what I will do, I will just put the decimals 1, 2, 3, so here I will put the decimal 0, 6, 5, so it is converted into the decimal here. And similarly, if I wish to convert into, suppose, ratio, so what I will do, I will just do little bit of simplification and see, it is converted into the ratio. Okay, so in this manner I can convert the percentage into either into the fraction or into the decimal or into a ratio. So this is the concept that we will use in order to solve the questions, and already you have solved many questions like of this in the previous class. Okay, let's see few questions. Suppose this is a percentage and we have to convert it into the fraction. So first we will convert into what? The mixed fraction. So it will give you 100 upon 3. Now in order to convert any percentage into fraction, what I have told you, we have to divide it by 100. So we will multiply it by 100. So 100 and 100 will cancel. You will get the answer as 1 upon 3. Okay. Then suppose if I wish to convert this mixed fraction into the percentage, so first we will convert it, so it will give you 61 upon 20. And when we have to convert any number into the percentage, what is the procedure? We will multiply it by 100, so it will give you how much? 305%. Now suppose here is one number and we have to convert it into the decimal. So first of all we will convert it into the what? A mixed fraction. Then in order to convert any percent into a number, what we will do, we will multiply it by 100. So next what we will do, we will divide this 11 by 5, that you already knew how to divide. Like this we will divide. So what you will get, 2.2 upon 100. So now you can see two zeros are there, so we will put 0 to 2. So this is converted into the decimals. Then in this question we have to convert first 7 upon 9 into the decimal. So if you remember how to convert 7 upon 9, it was like this. Okay, it is a non-terminating decimal, so we will write it like this, 0.77 and so on. Then we have to convert this decimal into the percentage. So what we will do, we will simply multiply it by 100. So what we will get, 77.77%. Okay, so this is the procedure by which you can convert. Okay, again I am writing number to percentage, we will multiply by 100, and percentage to any number, whatever number you want, we will divide by 100. A number may be a fraction, a number may be a decimal, a number may be a ratio. So this is how you can convert, you can do the following conversions. Okay, let's see few questions. Now we have to calculate that what percent of 25, what percent of 3 is rupees 25 paisa. So in these questions, how will start, you will write 25 paisa upon rupees 3. Now since it is a paisa and it is a rupee, so we have to convert this rupee into the paisa. And how do we convert? By multiplying by 100. So now we will multiply again by 100 in order to convert into the percentage. So what will be your answer? Answer will be 25 upon 3 percentage. Okay. So in numerator and denominator, both the quantities should have same unit, paisa and rupee. So I have converted this rupee into the paisa. Then we have to convert 5 seconds of 2 hours. So it is 5 seconds and 2 hours. And since it is a second, it is an hour. So we have to convert first hour into the second. So in 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes. And in 1 minute, how many seconds are there? 60 seconds. So finally what you will get? You will get 5 upon 7200. Now we will multiply by 100. So our answer will be 5 upon 72%. Then the questions likes of this, in which we have to find 70% of what number is 84. Okay, 70% of what number is 84. So we will let number equal to x. So what we have to, what is given, that 70% of x is equals to, okay, so this will be your equation, 70% of x is equals to 84. Then we will write it like 70 upon 100 into x equal to 84. So from here you will get x equal to, you will do the cross multiplication. So you will get a number is 120. Okay, so in this way you can solve the questions likes of this. Now in this question we have to decrease 240 by 17.5%. So in the questions likes of this, first what we will do, first we will calculate decrease. How much is it decrease? So that will be 17.5% of 240. Then it is 35 upon 2. This percent will convert into 100. And this off is converted into multiply and it becomes 240. So when you solve it, you will get that is 42. So what is our new number? Our new number will be 240 minus 42, that is 198. Okay. So whenever you have to decrease or increase anything, first you calculate the decrease or increase by this method. 70% of 240, then 17 and a half is 35.2, percent is converted into 100, off is converted into multiply, and 240. Then you will simply solve it and you will get the answer. So in this manner you can solve the questions likes of this.